Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to collect public health datasets, stories, and files directly from HealthData.gov, the official open data catalog from the US Department of Health and Human Services. We're going to do this using the US HealthData.gov Open Data Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This actor lets you automatically collect content from healthdata.gov, including datasets, stories and articles, charts, maps and forms, files, and downloadable resources. For datasets, you get full metadata, download links, publisher info, and engagement metrics. And for stories and files, the scraper goes deeper and extracts full article content or file download details. So, how does it work? You can use this scraper in two different ways. You can either paste a URL from healthdata.gov from a run you've already done, or build a search using filters like keywords, category, item types, and sort orders. For the URL option, all you have to do is use a search term. And you can add any of the filters you want. And once you have them all, you simply copy the URL. And you paste it in here. The filter-based approach has the same filters you'll find in the website, so it's really up to you how to use it. Just remember that you can only choose one of the ways to use it. In this example, we'll use the URL, so we leave everything else empty. Next, we just choose the maximum number of items, we'll use 20 for this run, and click Start. You can either run it once, or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each result is in a single row, and it includes items like IDs and titles, descriptions and categories, publisher and contact info, download links in CSV, JSON, or Excel files for any of the single results. This whole dataset you can also download as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. And this makes it easy to plug the data into dashboards, research workflows, policy analysis, or public health monitoring systems. This actor is especially useful if you're doing public health or policy research, tracking healthcare trends, building health data pipelines, or discovering official HHS datasets programmatically. It saves hours of manual searching and gives you clean, structured data ready for analysis. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.